Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am speaking, and whatever I have given in this whole week, I hope you remember. And I was giving the question and answer of in father's presence. Okay, this is the chapter, that chapter under section 2, right? So already I have given some questions, 4 to 5 questions before it, and today I will give you some more questions. Okay, already I have given some questions from this chapter. Listen to me carefully. Okay, already I have given some questions from this chapter, and today I will give you some more questions. I have arranged some more questions for you. See, how did father know Swaminathan had not been studying at all? What did father do about it? Okay, when father saw the table was unclear with the layer of dust on Swaminathan's book, he knew that Swaminathan had not been studying at all. Father cleared the web that an industrious spider was weaving a corner of the table and pile of books and cleared the fine layer of dust. Okay, next, what does Swaminathan think of when he reads the sum? Why do you think he thinks of those things? When Swaminathan reads the sum, he thinks about those mangoes and seems to acquire a new meaning. His mouth begins to water of the thought of the mangoes. And this, you can see there are two questions. Okay, I have there are two questions, so I have given a dot before starting of the answer. Okay, so this is the first answer, this is the second answer. Similarly, this is the first answer, this is the second answer. See, this question, why do you think he thinks of those things? See, I think it as it is mentioned in the story that he had the feeling of having stepped into a fearful maze by thinking about mangoes. Okay, next, what does Swaminathan think about fractions and why? Swaminathan think about fractions as the most hideous regions of arithmetic. Hideous regions means it is written the meaning in your book. Unpleasant topic means it was not giving the pleasure mean to him. Okay, as he thought the fractions are the most unpleasant topics, he little bit dislikes it. It is the answer of why. Okay, see. Okay, I hope you can understand. There are two answers. Okay, so these are the some other questions from your that chapter in father's presence. Okay, you can pause your video, you can write it. And this is the next chapter number 2 on your mark, and section was section 1, go girl go. I hope you remember the I will see you, let me see. These are the this is the go girl go, right? I hope you can understand. This is the chapter I have completed, right? So next, see, these are the question and answer from that chapter, go girl go, chapter 2 on your mark. This is chapter on your mark, section 1, go girl go. Okay, there are 3 newspaper reports, right? See, what questions do the sportswomen mentioned in the report share? The most important qualities are shared in reports about sportswomen, as in 2018 women changed the world in Indian sports. Okay, women are talented, hardworking, and they broke many records, won more medals than ever before. Okay, next question, what physical quality do you think a hipped athlete needs the most? A hipped athlete needs the most the physical quality, as it should be physically fit and they need courage and determination. Okay, next some more questions from this chapter. See, these questions you will get in your chapter inside, and okay, see, her next target is to do well in the 2020 Olympics. This is a line. Whose target is to do well in the 2020 Olympics? Which event did she take part in? What is special about the event? See, Shapna Varman's target is to do well in the 2020 Olympics. I hope you read the chapter all. Now you can understand. Next, she took part in the 7 events. The events were high jump, javelin throw. This is R, okay? Shot put, long jump, 100 meter, 200 meter, and 800 meter run. Next, the heroic heptathlete had to fight pain and discomfort throughout the Asian Games, and as she has an extra toe on each foot and did not have customized shoes to suit her feet, and also had a terrible toothache on the day of final event, but she showed her courage and determination and won the gold medal. This was a special about that event. Okay, so you can pause your video and you can write down the answer. See, next, why did Hima Das shift to 400 meter events? As Hima Das would start slow and peak towards the end, which made her perfect for the 400 meter event, she shifted to this. Next, 2 of the 3 reports tell you about the difficulties the athletes had to face when they took part in their events. What were these difficulties? See, first about Sapna Burman, we get the report how she faced. Okay, this is past tense. How she faced some difficulties as she had to fight against pain and discomfort throughout the Asian Games. She has an extra. She had an extra. This should be had. Okay, she had an extra toe on each foot and did not have customized shoes to suit her feet, and had a terrible toothache on that day. And there also see there in this answer also she had, it should be had. Okay, a similar answer. See, and she had an extra toes on each foot and did not have customized shoes to fit her feet and to suit her feet, and had a terrible toothache on that day, the final event. Okay, next, another report we get about the difficulties about Vinesh Phogat, the wrestler. When this woman wrestler landed in Jakarta, she was more than 4 kilograms above the requisite weight for her category, so she had to lose it in 3 days to participate in the event. So she was on a liquid diet. And next, see, she was more than she had right, yes. So she was on a liquid diet and worked. I hope you can see. You can pause your video here also. You can write the answers. If there will be any problem to understand the handwriting, then definitely you can ask me in comment box. Okay, and this answer is continuing. Okay, this answer is continuing. See, and in a non-air conditions hall to increase sweating and doubled the number of training session. Thus she did lose it, and having shown a brilliant display, she won the gold medal. See, there are some answers are long, so you can understand these answers are long, so you have to understand it properly and you have to write it in your copy, then you can remember it. Okay, and if there will be any problem, then definitely ask me in comment box. Again and again I am telling you. Okay, and one more thing, already I have told the syllabus for the first unit test, but I am telling it again for those students who have joined after some days. So maybe you didn't get that syllabus. Okay, so this is for all of you, and whoever missed the syllabus, okay, so you can write it. I am showing you in the first unit test from literature. You have 2 chapters. These chapters you will get in NCERT books. Okay, because till 15th May we were carrying out the NCERT apps, NCERT books and the NCERT chapter. So you will get in NCERT apps. Okay, you have to go to NCERT apps and you have to download the chapters. Okay, you can get those chapters there. Okay, so first chapter, who did Patrick's homework and how the dog found himself a master. Okay, so you can download the chapter from NCERT app and you will get all the information about these chapters. You will get the videos on these chapters and the question answer and all. Okay, so you get there. And so this is a syllabus of literature. Who did Patrick's homework? How the dog found himself a master. This is from literature part, and this is from NCERT book. Okay, class 6, remember. And the language, you have to do pronoun, noun and sentence. Okay, so till 15th May, how much it was practiced you have to do, and if there will be any writing skill in practice work, so you can do also, you have to do also. So see the videos till 15th May, and this is a syllabus for you. Okay, so write down it, and whatever I have given the question and answer to you, so please note down this in your copy and try to remember. Okay, so thank you so much. If there will be any problem, definitely ask me. So wait for the next video. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.